CTXR stock analysis tomorrow, 30th of June and onwards. What I'll be doing here is showing you my exact play. And with Citius Pharmaceuticals, since we're sitting at $1.53, this is pumping, but is it a buy? Let's talk about it. With 42,000 videos in my documented on my YouTube channel, like no one else has done this like me. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's printing and what's not. I began with the bearish side, which we got break even pretty fast. As you know, I got the double break met and then came down, break even hit, cha-ching. Getting rid of that sketch, that would have been the outcome. Now it's pumping up. I mean, whilst it's pumping, I'm here to make just juice the most that I can out of it. Again, the only thing that will make me be bullish if the rules are met, that means like a proper pull down and a double break. And yeah, I guess if that's not the case, I'm not going to be buying or anything. Right, so what I'll be doing in the meantime is just waiting for my rules. And I guess if you want to stay tuned and want to get the sauce that's taken me 5 years to learn so you can learn in hours, click the first link in the description. Risk free, 1,200 people have already seen it. Sauce.